You can't just dive into everything when the time comes to start working on the video production. You should have a plan and start preparing for the pre-production steps. You will take all the necessary steps for video pre-production to get everything ready so that you can start working on the video project. The entire project can be carried out without pre-production, but with proper planning, you will get the best result. If this is your first time here and you want to build a successful video marketing strategy and grow your business YouTube channel, start now by subscribing and clicking on the bell icon so you don't miss anything. So what is pre-production and what is it all about? While you don't have to hire an entire production crew, you have to take into account certain stuff when you take your own videos. In pre-production, there are several phases. There will be more phases than in other projects due to the scope of the project. What is essential is to ensure that the production process is ready to start after you're finished with the pre-production. It is important to know your budget. Your budget would be low if you only do a small project. Bigger projects with more people will expand. Plan to spend more than what you think it will cost and represent it on your budget. Target audience and message. You have to make sure that you know and understand your target audience. You can easily tailor your message by understanding what your audience needs. This will ensure that you're ready to start creating a great video that your audience enjoys when the production phase begins. Video marketing strategy. Prepare a script or a list of questions about your product or service. Let your editors create a storyboard which, along with your script, will explain the visual elements. Share your ideas with the sales and marketing departments who will actually use your video to ensure that your script meets their needs. Make sure that your script contains relevant keywords if your goal is to be ranked for a given keyword. You should learn more about how to optimize your videos on YouTube to get more views and subscribers. Give helpful advice for your voiceover talent on the speed and style you want. You want to ensure that the recording environment is noise-free to provide the best sound quality. Logistics. Check the lighting in place. Know if you need lights. Go and scout at places when you think that the shooting takes place. Test the location's power supply. Make sure you have what you need. Listen to the area. Is it quiet or loud? Is noise going to be an issue? See where the equipment you carry should be placed and what problems may be present. Make sure you have filming permission in hand. Video marketing is a very powerful type of content marketing. You want your audience to see you as an expert and put trust in your services or products. There is plenty to think about when it comes to making a video. All this is not just to scare you from making a video. You will have a better understanding of what to do with each video you are going to make. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video and let us know what you think in the comments below. I'll see you guys on the next one.